2012, for the first time, Star Wars was shown in cinemas in 3D. For us, that was the ideal opportunity to enter a new dimension as well. We used Lego Star Wars pieces to play music. The idea? A huge barrel organ consisting exclusively of Lego pieces, playing the Star Wars theme tune. This is how it works. We translated the score of the theme tune into a matrix and used Lego Star Wars pieces to transfer it to a large barrel. 20,000 Lego pieces were arranged precisely in such a way that they struck the keys of a keyboard via mechanical levers. Until the tune of all tunes could be heard, performed by 4 fascinating Star Wars worlds. Around the time of the launch of Star Wars 3D, the organ went on tour through the cinemas. Everybody could turn the crank and order the sets used directly by means of a QR code. On a microsite, fans from all over the world also played the organ and selected their favourite Lego sets. As a result, the Lego Builders of Sound organ created excitement in the worldwide Star Wars community. May the music be with you.